Hi, this is Jason again with LMGI doing a SolidEdge Fundamentals course. So the next activity, they would like to show you how to copy some geometry and also use key points. So we would like to copy this hole. So we select it. But we would like to have a copy of it down in this area, and the distance to that would be the same as the upper delta from one hole to the other, and that can easily be done. So one of the first things you want to do is click the copy button in after you select the hole. Otherwise you can just hold the control key down briefly while you click the element on the steering wheel that causes the move. So I'm going to click the origin and bring it up here to the top. And in the book they have you point the wheel down at this other hole, but I find that the disc is actually easier. It's going to now allow me to move in X and Y, and it's going to pick up this this hole. Now that's pretty easy to see that it's picking up the center of that hole. In the event that you even had your key point set to none, you should be able to do K-mice. Remember, if you remember M-I-C-E for mid, intersect, center, and end, you should be able to precede it with a K and then do C. And I tapped C on the keyboard after I tapped K, so it essentially found that key point and kind of clicked it for me as if I clicked the mouse, even though I did not click the mouse, and it made a copy of that hole. Why don't I do that again? So I'm going to select the hole, position the wheel, hold my control key down. I'll do it a little differently than pressing this button. So control makes it do a copy, K, C makes it find the center of the geometry. You're not confident that that's where it is, drop a dimension on there. In the future you can, I'm going to hold the shift key down. When you do that, it will shift to a distance between type dimension, and again I'm going to hold the shift key down. You could bump that up to a high round off if you had any concerns. So now those holes are exactly parallel, and so if it were a parallelogram type mechanism that we needed this to work to, we can be sure that that hole is right where we'd like it to be.